Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we were tackling a topic that's incredibly important but often goes unsaid: navigating the social side of retirement. For many, retirement is a dream come true. No more alarm clocks, no more commutes, but it can also bring an unexpected guest: loneliness. The structure of our work life, the daily chats with colleagues, the shared projects, they all disappear, and it can feel like a huge void. But here's the good news: retirement isn't an ending. It's a brand new beginning, a fantastic opportunity to build a social life that's even more fulfilling than before. If you've been feeling a bit adrift, or if you're planning for retirement and want to get ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explore 10 engaging, fun, and practical ways to not just beat loneliness, but to truly thrive, connect, and rediscover joy in your golden years. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into how you can reclaim your social life and make it absolutely vibrant. First up, let's talk about tapping into your passions. Remember that hobby you never had time for? Now's your chance. Joining a club or group centered around something you love is a surefire way to meet like-minded people. Think about it: book clubs, gardening societies, hiking groups, a local choir, or even a chess club. When you share a common interest, conversation flows naturally. You're not just making small talk, you're discussing a shared passion. It's an instant icebreaker. A quick search online for book clubs near me or local walking groups can open up a whole new world. The best part: you're not just fighting loneliness, you're enriching your life and learning new things. It's a total win-win. So, what's that one thing you've always wanted to do? This is your sign to go for it. Number 2 on our list is the power of volunteering. Giving your time to a cause you care about is one of the most rewarding things you can do, and it has a fantastic social benefit. Whether it's helping out at a local animal shelter, a community kitchen, a museum, or a library, you'll be working alongside people who share your values. This creates a powerful sense of purpose and camaraderie. You're part of a team, making a tangible difference in your community. That shared mission builds strong bonds, plus it provides structure to your week, giving you a reason to get out of the house and interact with others. It's a way to use your lifetime of skills and experience to help others, and in return, you get a rich social network and a huge boost to your well-being. Look up local charities or organizations and see where you might fit in. Your community needs you, and you might just find your new tribe. Our third tip is to embrace the role of a lifelong learner. Your brain loves to be challenged, and what better way to do that than by taking a class? Many community colleges, universities, and local centers offer courses specifically for seniors, often at a reduced cost. You could learn a new language, take up pottery, dive into history, or finally figure out how to use that fancy camera. The classroom environment is naturally social. You'll be working on projects together, participating in discussions, and helping each other learn. It's an amazing way to meet a diverse group of people you might not otherwise encounter. And it's not just about formal education. Look for workshops on things like cooking, woodworking, or even technology. Stepping into a learning environment keeps your mind sharp and your social calendar full. Coming in at number 4, get moving. Physical activity is crucial for our health, but it's also a fantastic social lubricant. Joining a fitness class designed for older adults is a great option. Think about water aerobics, gentle yoga, tai chi, or a dance class like Zumba Gold. The atmosphere is usually very friendly and supportive. You're all in it together, laughing through the tricky moves and encouraging each other. Or, you could join a walking or cycling group. Turns a solo activity into a social outing. You can chat while you exercise, exploring new trails and neighborhoods together. Even something as simple as joining a local bowling league or a pickleball club can provide regular, enjoyable social interaction. Moving your body releases endorphins that make you feel good, and doing it with others doubles the benefit. Number 5 is all about becoming a regular. Find a local spot and make it your own. It could be a coffee shop, a park bench you love, a library, or a community center. By visiting the same place at around the same time regularly, you start to see familiar faces. The barista learns your order. You exchange a nod with the person who always reads the newspaper across from you. These small, consistent interactions build a sense of belonging and community. They are what we call weak ties, and sociologists say they are incredibly important for our happiness. You don't need to have a deep conversation every time, but just being recognized and acknowledging others makes you feel connected to your neighborhood. So, pick your spot and become a part of its daily rhythm. You'll be surprised how quickly those nods turn into friendly chats. Our 6th strategy is to leverage technology, but in a way that fosters real connection. While social media can sometimes feel isolating, it can also be a powerful tool for good. Reconnect with old friends, former colleagues, or distant family members on platforms like Facebook. More importantly, use these platforms to find local groups. Almost every town has a community Facebook group where people share local news, events, and recommendations. It's a great way to stay in the loop about what's happening. You can also use video calls to stay in touch with grandchildren or friends who live far away. Scheduling a regular weekly video chat can become a cherished ritual that closes the distance. Technology shouldn't replace face-to-face interaction, but it can be a wonderful bridge to maintain and even build new connections. At number 7, we have a simple but powerful idea: host something. You don't need to throw a massive party. The key is to take the initiative. Invite a neighbor over for a cup of tea. Start a small, informal book club that meets in your living room once a month. Organize a weekly card game or a potluck dinner with a few friends. When you're the host, you create the social opportunity. It puts you in the driver's seat. Many people feel just as lonely as you do but might be hesitant to make the first move. By extending an invitation, you're opening a door for connection. It can feel a bit daunting at first, but start small. The simple act of welcoming someone into your home builds warmth and deepens friendships in a way that meeting in public sometimes can't. Number 8 is to connect with different generations. Intergenerational friendships are incredibly enriching for everyone involved. You have a lifetime of wisdom and stories to share, and younger generations can offer fresh perspectives, energy, and help with new technology. Look for opportunities to mentor a young person in your former field. Volunteer at a local school to read to children. Many communities have programs that specifically pair seniors with younger people for companionship or skill sharing. These relationships can be so meaningful. They challenge stereotypes on both sides and create a beautiful exchange of knowledge and experience. You'll feel valued and connected, and you'll be making a real impact on someone else's life. Our 9th tip is to get a pet, if your circumstances allow. The companionship of an animal can work wonders for loneliness. A dog, for example, gives you a reason to get out of the house every day for walks, which naturally leads to interactions with other dog owners at the park. They're instant conversation starters. The unconditional love and affection from a pet can fill a house with warmth and life. Caring for another living being provides a sense of purpose and routine. If owning a pet full-time isn't feasible, consider volunteering at an animal shelter or offering to pet sit for friends or neighbors. Even these brief interactions with our furry friends can bring immense joy and a feeling of connection. Finally, number 10, adopt a yes mindset. This might be the most important tip of all. When you're feeling lonely, it's easy to retreat and say no to invitations. You might feel tired or anxious, or just not in the mood. But it's crucial to gently push yourself to say yes more often. Say yes when a neighbor invites you for a walk. Say yes to that community center open house. Say yes to trying that new class, even if you're a little nervous. Every yes is a door opening to a new possibility, a new person, a new experience. Not every outing will lead to a new best friend, and that's okay. The goal is to get back into the habit of participating in the world. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities for connection will come your way. Start with small, low-pressure situations and build from there. So there you have it, 10 powerful strategies to build a rich, fulfilling social life in retirement. It's about being proactive, stepping out of your comfort zone, and rediscovering what brings you joy. Remember, building connections takes time, so be patient and kind to yourself. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey to a more connected life can start today with just one small action. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on living your best life after 60. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some ways you stay social and connected? Sharing your experiences could help someone else in our community. Until next time, take care and stay connected.